Good morning, guys. So, ang aga namin gumising. Kasi, come here. Hershey woke up super early. Because today is
special assembly.
So, she's very excited. Because they will have a Tej festival in the Aryan school. Kaya, ang aga siyang gigising. And then ako, gumagawa ko ng look at my hands. I'm making ata. I will cook paranta for you. Salo. Ito yung minamasa ko. Diba? Masa-masa sa umaga. Exercise. Tapos na yung aking dough, guys. Look. And then, gumising na din yung aking asawa. Good morning! Kita yung pangag ko, guys, oh. You see what is pangag? So, ito yung i-stuff natin sa ating roti. Alo paranta.
Mr. Bombastic.
Yay! Kita niya si Hershika. Ganda-ganda niya, oh. Kasi Tej festival nila today. And look. I will show you later. Kapag tapos na siya. Look at Hershika. Wow! and look up to down. So, sundar. You ready for today's stage in Aryan School?
Yes.
Alis na kami. Hatid ko siya, look. Cling. Yan ako naman magdala ng bag. Supportive Mami G. Yay! Kami guys, sa waiting area ng school bus ni Harzu. She's very pretty. Look at it. Zoom in. See? Zoom in. Go in the back. Because you're... Yeah, look at the hair. OOTD check. Yeah. Look at our goddess. Diba? Ganda niya guys. Me, pimple, but you? We're waiting for the bus. Aryan School bus. Sarado pa yung shop dito. Diyan lang yung open. Ito yung waiting area ng mga estudyante. Ano ba yan? Langaw. Ay baka. Normal yan dito. Ito na yung school bus ng Jendal Modern School. And the cow. Cow is walking around here in India. It's very normal.
It's not normal in Philippines.
No, it's not. Yan siya guys. Tuwang-tuwa yung mga auntie sa kanya. Kasi he look like goddess. He look like goddess. Ha? Tingnan mo, ang ganda niya no. Sana all. Say sana all.
What does it mean?
You already asked what does it mean. Sana all.
No.
Greet them. Like, mabuhay, madlang people.
Madam people.
Say.
Mabuhay, madam people.
Let's sing. Wag nang paligoy.
My bus.
Dance na.
My bus.
No, not yet.
My bus.
Not yet.
And if it is?
Wag nang paligoy. Oh, nandito na yung bus niya, guys. Say, wag go na. Careful. Ayan na yung bus niya. Harshika's bus is on the way. Hello. Sasakay na siya ng bus. Masti. Nandito din si Garvita. Hi! Oh! Umalis na sila. Let's go! Kauwi na ako and may order pala ako today. Kasi, look, may order pala ako ngayon. Hindi ko nilagay yung name kasi hindi ko alam yung spelling. Pero so far, ito yung mga order ko for this month. O, diba? And then, ang kalat ng aking kitchen, guys. Look. Ang dami ko pang ililigpit bago ako makapag-bake. And then, meron akong na-prepare na mga gamit. And then, yung aking coffee. Magko-coffee muna tayo bago tayo mag-work. Para meron tayong energy. Nakita nyo si Harshika kanina, guys. Ang ganda niya, no? Sobrang excited pa naman siya. Mga students lang yung magpe-perform mamaya. Walang parents. Tapos, parang sabi ko, paano kami makakakita ng mga performance nyo? So, bali yung teacher nila, yung magtitake ng video, and then isi-send sa parents. So, ganun. It's a Teach Celebration Festival ba? Sarap ng kape. Hi guys, so nakatulog ako at hindi ko tinapos yung cake kasi tumawag pala si Gaurav na yung magbe-birthday ngayon, parang nag-cancel siya. So buti na lang, hindi ko nalagyan ng cream yung cake. Pero na-bake ko na siya, 'di ba? So kakainin na lang namin yung cake bread niya kasi parang na-miss ko na din yung cake bread and hindi naman nasayang yung ating pag-bake kasi kakainin naman natin. Para may snack tayo. So, that's all for today's video, guys. And, yeah, see you on my next video.